Welcome back to the channel, good friends. Brian from Apex Detail. The next step on the Jaguar F-Type is a wheels off. The wheels have been quickly cleaned during the wash process. We want to do a wheels off and properly give them a deep clean and clean the calipers and wheel arches as well and protect them. The wheel does not have baked on brake dust. It's just real light topical stuff. And I do have my wheel brush soaking in a wheel cleaner. We're going to douse the rest of the wheel in Phoenix EOD Hydra. Has just enough surfactant to get the rest of the wheel clean in and around the lug nuts, the corners, crevices, tight areas of the wheel, back of the wheel spokes, and also the barrels of the wheel. We'll just use a soft detailing brush to agitate. Okay, I am now satisfied with the face of the wheel. Let's turn the wheel around and get to the barrel of the wheel and the back of the spokes, the back of the hub. Much, much better. What we have left now is some adhesive from the wheel weights and looks like a sticker here. We're going to take care of that. We're going to scrape off what we can and then use Citral 266 to break up the rest. This is what I like to see, squeaky clean and ready to be protected. I now like to use a panel prep. You can mix up your own with isopropyl alcohol and remove any cleaner residues. With that task complete, I noticed some light scratching on the face of the wheel. I'm not happy with that at all, so I'm going to reach for my 2-inch polisher and remove those before protection. Attached to the 2-inch polisher is a Eurofiber 50/50 pad, and we're going to use Phoenix EOD Papa Cut. A bit better. I'm going to make another pass to completely remove these, and I will also repeat the process if I find anything like it in the barrel of the wheel as well. And when it's time for protection, I'm going to break out a wheel coating that I am working on. That's why there's no label on it, and that will eventually be part of the blue collar line. Stay tuned.
Hustle harder, they said. Achievement takes sacrifice. The real secret to success? Better sleep. But they won't put that on a poster. So purple? Put it in a mattress. Purple is different. Soft and firm in all your right places. The Gel Flex grid keeps you cool, while sleep does its scientifically proven thing. Your eyes sharper. An overnight success. On Purple, the mattress made for successful sleeping.
With this viscous track coating, which has a high temperature threshold, you will be able to take your time and entirely coat the face of the wheel, no matter how intricate the wheel design is, and then simply buff off from there. Flip it around, repeat the process in the barrel of the wheel and the back of the spokes. Looking good, protected, and beginning the cure process. Now, over to the brake caliper, the hub, and the wheel arch as a whole. The combination I choose to take care of those areas will be Kraken from Phoenix EOD, which is an all-purpose cleaner, and I will team that up with the Krios Garage Air Foamer. This is a dry foam. I am inside today, and I do not want to make a mess and flood the floor of the shop. So a dry foam is going to be perfectly fine to get these areas clean. Simply agitate with multiple detailing and wheel brushes. I will then hit it with the Hydra Rinseless Wash from Phoenix EOD and completely dry the area. To make sure the area is completely dry before protection, you do not want to mix a coating with moisture. I'm going to use the air chuck and the air compressor to blow out any cracks and crevices. Any heavy duty or painted surfaces will be protected with the same coating that the wheel is protected with. And then any plastic in the wheel arch will be protected with the Stoners trim shine. And that was in a dedicated video. I'll try and remember to put a link up above in the video here or in the description box down below. Stoner's Trim Shine, the upgraded version, contains SiO2. It is a simple spray and wipe and will make quick work of the wheel arch here. Okay, these areas are looking much better and they have entered the curing process as well. When the areas have had proper cure time, I will top them as well. And I'll use the Blue Collar 3. This is a maintenance spray, detail spray, or stand-alone sealant. We will also add the Hydroselex tire coating as the cherry on top. Just the finishing touches here, guys. It sure is nice to get the tire coating or the tire shine on while the wheel is in the wheel stand for even coverage. Before mounting the wheel, I will use a lube to lubricate the hub and the threads on the lug nuts to make it easier for the next guy that has to remove these. And that's it. There are many ways to go about this process. This is the way I chose for this particular vehicle. We have one wheel and wheel arch down, 3 to go. If you have any questions, put them down below in the comments section. This has been Brian from Apex Detail. Catch you in the next video.